How to activate your first National Bank debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your First National Bank debit card. So, let's begin. First, open up your web browser and simply search for Activate First National Bank debit card. After you search for that, you'll find this website right here, Activate Debit MasterCard. Open that up. So this is for the First National Bank Texas. So here, all you have to do is enter up your 4 digits of social security number, then the 4 digits of your debit MasterCard that you want to activate, then finally your zip code. After you do that, you'll need to also select the month and the year till which the card is valid through. And then finally, after you do all that, you can tap on submit to activate your card. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.